Hey, Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So we've been using the iseeBell Wi-Fi video doorbell system for a few weeks now. Just want to say it's really awesome. Works great. Installation was a little kind of crazy. I was not able to get it to work with our actual doorbell ringer, the manual doorbell. However, it does get the power from that system. So some systems work and some systems don't. So we're using the included Wi-Fi doorbell that they include, which has a bunch of different sounds. Some of them are crazy. I just went with the typical doorbell system. It's loud enough, easy to set up, and you can always expand it and add more to the system if you want one upstairs and one downstairs. But we found that you can hear it pretty much anywhere in the house. But let me just go ahead and show you what the system looks like. And again, we love it. It's great. We see people coming to the house to deliver stuff, whether or not they're pressing the doorbell. I get a notification. I could share the account. The app is relatively easy to use, and if you want to use the cloud features, it's only $1.99 a month, but otherwise you have all the features right there at hand. And this is a lot less expensive than some of the competitors out there as well. The installation of the iseeBell Wi-Fi doorbell system was extremely easy, and it comes with a couple different mounts. You can either mount it straight if you want to, or mount it on an angle. Now, I didn't have a lot of room to work with where my doorbell, the original doorbell, was. It does come with screws if you have a doorbell that's wired through, through brick or anything. But actually, I just had to rig something up here so it sat on it, made it flat and flush. But otherwise, it was very easy. There's 4 pins on the back. I'll show you the picture. You can plug the wires in when you're setting up to any of those pins, and then when you're ready, you can go ahead and you can connect it to the pins that are required for this, getting the power from the doorbell. Again, I was not able to get the doorbell system to work by pressing the button to ring my existing mechanical doorbell, but it does work with their system. Setting up on the app and Wi-Fi and all that, very easy. Just setting up a basic account in the app, download it, you're good to go. I did have an issue on my Android phone. It wanted the overlay. I don't know what that is. That's something with my phone. I don't think it's Android in general. Sometimes that phone acts kind of crazy, but iPhone, it worked really well. Easy enough to share someone else if you want to share the account with. They just have to create an iseeBell account. You can share it with them, and then it's good to go. Now it gets power from the original doorbell system. I did have to install the jumper cable because there was a buzz, a hum, which they say can happen. Not a big deal. They give you the jumper cable. Also in here, you'll see in the picture, they give you connectors to extend the wire that comes out of the door. Sometimes the wire will be long enough to connect to this. It was not for mine, and actually it comes with like this little insert where you put the wires in. So you put it in one side, and then out the other side is the extender cable, and then you can connect it to the back of here. Problem was, I could not get it to hold. The cable or the wires were too small of a gauge, so it didn't work. So I just used some very small wire nuts and taped it up, put it in, good to go. But overall, very easy to set up, easy to use. The app looks great. You can set the motion detection as well. We haven't had to change it. It has been just detecting based on, people coming up, but you can also have it, if it's too sensitive, you can change that. Really great. Love it. Seems like the UPS and FedEx drivers know what it is. They know where to press it. Good to go. And, you can even talk back on it as well and freak out some people that might not know that you can talk back to them. So there you go. That's the iseeBell Wi-Fi video doorbell system. Really great. Absolutely love it. Must have around the holidays, but also you should just have a video doorbell system these days with all the craziness going on. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.